Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome to Profit Trader, and today we are going to carry the installation of Jupyter notebook using pip. Okay, you can visit my channel youtube.com/profittrader/videos, and you required a Python installation. So what will Python will do? It will give you an executable pip. From that pip you can install the Python packages. Even that pip utilized to install the Jupyter notebook as well. Okay, so you just carry as Python installation, and you will get the video, the latest video, where I talked about how you can install the Python Sublime Text and Streamlit. So watch this video. It will be helpful, and it will be helpful to carry the version whichever you are looking for to install. Okay, so for this purpose you required greater than 0.6 3.6. Okay, so for that you require, and the installation which I carried earlier, the Anaconda, where I have shown how you can carry the installation of various Python text editors. Okay, so if I go with ideally, if I go with the Sublime Text Editor, the purpose serves the same but have some differences. If I say that for the documentation purpose I like Jupyter notebook, the representation will be good of a mathematical equation. Even this thing, while a representation of quantitative analysis, that will be also helpful. And for documentation purpose, even if you want to go with matplotlib or chart animation also, it will be helpful. Okay, for other purpose, if you are looking for some kind of a WebSocket, for running in any kind of infinite loop or something, I must say that go with ideally or Sublime Text Editors. That will be best. Okay, so let's move to our this installation part. Okay, so it will be a quick way to do is first thing is required, that is upgrade of pip. Okay, so you can follow the python.exe -m pip install upgrade pip. Okay, so this is basic thing required first. Okay, your pip should be upgraded. Okay, otherwise you will get issues in installation. And the next thing is, all you have to say pip install Jupyter. Okay, so it will get installed. So in my case it is already installed, so it says as a requirement satisfied. Okay, for you it will give you clean installation. And if you want to launch the Jupyter notebook, all you have to say Jupyter with Y notebook. Okay, and while installation also, do remember it is not I, it is Y. Okay, so upgrade, install, and then launch the Jupyter notebook with the same date itself. Otherwise you can search in the Windows and do launch. Okay, so this thing is done. Now I'm into my Jupyter notebook, and after the launch you don't have to do anything. You just have to get in your folder which you already prepared. Okay, and we are right now in a Chrome browser. Okay, so all you have to say, just you have to select this Python 3, PyKernel, and you will get a Python notebook. So the reason, whichever you feel that this is the great, so go for it. Okay.